Today we're going to be working in the Sphero EDU app, which is this app here that you downloaded from Manager. And when you get into Sphero, you need to hit OK, click both of these boxes and agree and submit. And then school user, let's code, and got it. And when it's time for you to connect to a Sphero, you will come down to Drive, and you're going to choose this one here, Sphero SPRK Plus, and then you'll find one of the available ones, and I'll show you that in another video how to connect to one of those. So I'm going to choose one to connect to so I can show you how we're going to drive. So to start, you're going to come down here with aim, and you need to drag this little blue button until the blue light on your Sphero is facing you, and that will help with the toggles to make sure that you're going in the correct direction. So after you have the blue light facing you, you're ready to drive. But if at any point the Sphero starts going in a direction that you are not telling it to go, you can always go back to aim and re-aim it again. So this circle here is your controls for what direction your Sphero is going to go. This one is your speed. You can choose to change the color of your Sphero. And then you can also choose how bright it is, and you'll be able to drive it around like that. You can also go into programs, which is over here, and you can code much like we've been doing on CodeSpark and code.org. So I'm going to just go ahead and start a program here so I can show you that. You're going to add blocks just like we've been practicing, and these tell us which way to roll. It tells the Sphero how long to roll, how many seconds it's going to do that, and then it has other things too, like spin, and then there's categories like lights and sounds, controls. You can see there's loops. We talked about loops that you can use as well. And then when you are ready and you have your code written, it's going to have you aim it again, but you can run the code and your Sphero will do what you've told it to do. So here's where you can change the roll. 0 would be going straight forward, but you can choose the angle that you want it to go. Here's where you can change the speed to make it go faster or slower, and then here's where you type in how many seconds you want it to do that action. I want you to practice with this part because next week we'll be doing a challenge and you will need to use the programming part, not just the driving part, to do that particular challenge. So practice now so that you're ready for that next week.